Hey, it's Timothy Coe, founder of Goose Enterprises, and I'm here in the Goose Enterprises lab, and we have here the Corsair Dark Core RGB mouse, and we have our LagMeter here. So you can see plugged into the LagMeter here, we have split the signal coming from it, so one end will attach to the probe like normal, and then the other end will go into the third port of the oscilloscope here. And then in addition, the mouse signal will go through this USB sniffer, which will take data plus into channel 1 and data minus into channel 2. And so the oscilloscope will measure when the mouse moves, when the probe is struck, and then it will give the exact time. So we're running the oscilloscope at 500 million samples per second, and so at that speed, we are able to see the individual packets that are sent from the mouse to the LagMeter through the oscilloscope, and so we can get the exact time of when the probe is grounded and when the signal is sent from the mouse down to the nanosecond. So now we're gonna set the horizontal to 1 millisecond, and I'm gonna put it on single, so it will activate as soon as the probe is grounded, and then we're gonna compare the time on the LagMeter to the exact time given by the oscilloscope. Okay, so here we go. 3.580 milliseconds. If we zoom in, you can see those are too short to have any information in them. So those are empty packet, another empty packet. And then here we see the first packet which delivers information, which means that the mouse has moved. And we can see the very end of the packet happens at 3.5774 milliseconds. So we can see that the LagMeter is extremely accurate. So you might be wondering why we're choosing to report the end of the packet instead of the beginning of the packet. And so we decided that since a computer would not be able to do anything with the information until the packet is over, that is a better representation of the mouse's lag. And then we can reset back to 1 millisecond. Try again. We have 3.372 milliseconds. So we can zoom in, and if we check, we have 3.3952 milliseconds on the oscilloscope. And then we can try again. .924. You can see the shorter packets is the first move packet. And 1.9227. So now we have the Logitech G703 wireless gaming mouse, and if we try again, 6.124 milliseconds. So empty packet, empty, empty. If we zoom in here, so we got 6.136, and then we can reset. .492. And then the oscilloscope will say 6.506. And then one more time. 3.108. see the first packet here. And it is 3.118. So you can see that the lag meter across different mice and across different trials is within around 0.02 milliseconds in terms of precision and accuracy, and that these numbers are real, and despite the variation, it is actually in the mouse's response time and not the lag meter itself.